Hey, in this video, we are going to go over how to set up your products and services in QuickBooks Online, which you will be using for your invoices. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here to this gear. You're going to come over here to lists and you're going to click on products and services. Now this is a sample file with some items already in here, but we're just going to create a new one. So we'll come over here to new and click on it. Now, first, QuickBooks is going to ask you to select the type of product or service you are creating. Non-inventory, don't look at this description. Non-inventory for you are going to be any products that you sell that you're not tracking inventory for in QuickBooks Online. So unless you are using the Plus version of QuickBooks Online, you will not have the inventory tracking feature. So if you are selling physical products and not tracking the inventory, you can go ahead and choose non-inventory. Services is pretty self-explanatory. Those are services. And bundles are products or services that you are selling together as one item on your invoice. So I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to choose service. Now, first, you're going to enter in the name of your service. So I'm just going to say web design services. Next, you can enter in the SKU. You would not really use a SKU code unless you were working with physical products and you needed that information to correspond with like a POS system or something. So for the most part, you're probably going to skip over the SKU. Over here, you can upload a photo of the product. You would only really be using this for physical products, not services. Then the category. You don't have to enter in a category. It's not required. It's only helpful if you have a lot of products or services and it's getting a little unruly to look for them here on your list. Then you could come here to the drop down and either select an existing category or go to add new. So I'm actually going to say web development and save, and then put this item under this category. Next, we're coming down here to sales information. There's a little checkbox that says I sell this product and service to my customers. If you do not check it, then it will not show up on your invoice. So we definitely want to check this checkbox. Next, we have the description on the sales form. Now you can edit this when you make your invoice, but if you have a default description that you would like to put in, like perhaps a something that sort of expands on what the work done is or what's included, if it's a package, you can add this in here. So I'm gonna just type in up to 5 web pages. Next, we're gonna do the sales price or rate. So this is the cost of your website, of your web design services. So if you are charging a flat fixed fee, it'll just be that fee. If you bill hourly, it'll be your hourly rate. So let's just say $150. And then this is the income account. The income account is where you want all the income from this item to be assigned. So what income category will you be using? So let's just use service packages. Here we have purchasing information. Uncheck that. And now we are going to go to save and close. And that's it. Now we have our web design services, which is under web development. And you've added your very first product and service to QuickBooks.